Another question is reactivity of non-metals like chlorine, bromine, iodine. So one question is coming in my mind. Maybe it is given in the textbook and some refreshers. Question is, when chlorine water is added to potassium starch solution, it will become violet. Chlorine water is added to starch iodide solution, it will become a violet color. Why? So question is, why? What happens when we add chlorine water in starch iodide solutions? So answer is very simple. When we add chlorine water into starch iodide solutions, starch contain potassium iodide. So potassium iodide react with chlorine water. So from potassium iodide solution, iodine displaced by chlorine, because chlorine is more reactive as compared to iodine. So chlorine easily displaced. Due to that, the color of starch will become a liberation of iodine. It will become a violet color. Another question is, EMF, electromotive force, is cell of the galvanic or voltaic cell and the cell reaction. This is the another topic. Fifth one, EMF of the galvanic or voltaic cell and the cell reaction. This is also application of electrochemical series. So potential of the cathode and anode, it is determined or calculated with the help of Nernst equation. E equal to E naught plus 0.059 upon n log m the power n. We will find out. With the help of these, we will find out cell reactions. EMF of the cell is calculated from the cell reaction. Means E cell equal to E higher minus E lower. Or you can write E right minus E left, E cathode minus E anode. You can write in this way also, E cell or E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode, or E right minus E left. If the concentration of metal ion is 1 molar, if the concentration of metal ion is 1 molar, if the concentration of metal ion is 1 mole. So when the concentration of metal ion is 1 molar, so we can write E cathode equal to E naught cathode, E anode equal to E naught anode. E cathode equal to E naught cathode, E anode equal to E naught anode. We can write in this way, E cathode equal to. Then easily we will write the cell reaction. E cell equal to, when we put the value of E cell, cathode and anode, so in the place of E cathode we will write E naught cathode, and in the place of E anode we will write E anode. We will write in this way. So all the reduction potential will take a reduction potential, all the potential will take reduction potentials, and their value is always positive. Their value is always positive because higher to lower. Higher to lower, reduction potential is always positive. So there are two conditions we developed here. One is, if the concentration of the metal ion is in cathode is higher. If the concentration of metal ion on E cathode is higher, again I am repeating, there are two conditions developed. First, the concentration of metal ion in E cathode is, means right electrode, is increased. Then EMF of the cell also increase. First condition. What is the condition? If concentration of metal ion on right electrode, E cathode, so EMF of the cell is increased. First condition. Second condition, if the concentration of metal ion as anode left is higher, so EMF of the cell is decreases. If the concentration of metal ion is increased, E anode, so the EMF of the cell decreases. There are two conditions. So on the basis of that, we'll find out some numericals. Some numericals we'll find out. Some numerical are based on, you say,